Today we have a real Greek recipe. It's called eggplant salad. The real recipe, it doesn't have funds, but this recipe, I guarantee you, it will. Let's start with me. We need big eggplants. We take a fork and we make holes. We take our eggplants in the oven for around 30 minutes until it's soft in 180 degrees. Our eggplant is ready. I take a knife and I cut it here on the top. And with my hands, I open it. Oh my God, it's very soft and tender. Okay. Now we'll take all the ingredients on the top. We start with the salt. Here I have a piece of garlic. I chopped it. Will give a garlic flavor. I think is enough. Next, we have some fresh kale. Now let's make our yogurt sauce. We need a small bowl. Take 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Some lime juice. And some syrup de agave. We mix it. Our sauce is ready. Put it on top. In this part, some drops of soya sauce. Tahini. Olive oil. Not too much. And now the final. I have very nice sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flakes from Parmesan, Who can resist this salad? Me? No.